So a $1 billion customer, aka the hospital, hired us to paint their helicopter pad. Here we are painting the red H. We also sprinkled reflective glass beading into the paint to give it this reflective property. Here's one of my guys outlining the perimeter of the pad and these lime green concrete blocks. Here we are rolling on the white. And here is the finished product. The customer was happy and he ended up giving us a lot more work. All in all, a great day. Like, comment, and share for more vids like this.